Facebook announced rolling out Facebook Shops. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So on May 19th, Mark Zuckerberg announced launching their new e-commerce feature, Facebook Shops, and soon Facebook also will allow small businesses to sell products through Instagram Direct, WhatsApp, Messenger, and even tagging their own products in live broadcasts. In today's video, I'm going to cover everything that you need to know about Facebook Shops and how that affects us as Shopify sellers and online business owners. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post pretty much daily. And last but not least, if you want to download a full case study about my first winning product in my winning Shopify store, check out the first link in the description below. So with that being said, let's start with a video. So as we already know, the world is suffering right now from a health crisis, but at the same time we suffer from a huge economic crisis as well. Just the day before Facebook Shops announcement, Facebook released a report about a survey they sent to small business owners, and the results were not that great. Around a third of small business owners in the States stopped operating because of the epidemic, and about 11% of businesses going to shut down their businesses for good if things are not going to change really soon. So this whole situation kind of forced online business owners to start building their online presence and start selling their products and services online. The whole idea of Facebook Shops is that every small business owner now will be able to set up a shop both on Instagram and Facebook. All they will have to do is just to create a Facebook page or an Instagram business account, upload the products to their catalog, and their customers will be able to engage and purchase their products right from Facebook and Instagram platform. The cool thing about it is that Facebook Shops is going to be completely free. It is going to work much faster compared to just a regular Shopify website. You'll be able to fully customize your storefront, and as soon as you set up Facebook Shops, it will automatically integrate all of your products to Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Customers will be able to purchase from you directly from Facebook and Messenger, and the communication and customer service will be managed on WhatsApp and Messenger. Customers will be even able to track their orders through WhatsApp and Messenger. So what about Shopify and all the big other e-commerce platforms? So actually, Zuckerberg hosted Toby, the CEO of Shopify, on a live call where they discussed about how Shopify and other e-commerce platforms are going to be integrated with this new Facebook Shops feature. Essentially, you will be able, or just using Facebook Shops to sell your products and services, or you will be able to use Shopify and other Facebook partners to have a full integration between your products that you sell into Facebook Shops. Basically, Facebook gives you an option using their tools like shipping management, checkout, analytics, bookkeeping, reports, and basically everything as an e-commerce platform. But Zuckerberg, in that call with Toby, highly recommend using Shopify or the other platforms to run the back end of their e-commerce businesses, because he says that companies like Shopify provides much better and easier solution for running an e-commerce business, and Facebook are better in connecting between people and businesses. Now, as a Shopify owner, I still don't know exactly how it's going to look with the Shopify integration and the Facebook Shops, but I'm already excited to see how it works. Because think about it, if customers will be able to check out straight from Facebook and Instagram with their credit card details already saved in the system, that will definitely increase your conversion and boost your sales. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, if a customer has ever purchased something from Facebook and entered the credit card details and the shipping address, next time that the customers will go and try to purchase something from Facebook or Instagram, this information is already saved in the system, so it will automatically autofill everything for him, and that equals to easier life for the customer and more sales for us. Remember, every additional step that your customer needs to take to complete his purchase, the lower conversion rate you will have. So how people can discover your Facebook shop? The first way is going to be from your Facebook business page, Instagram profile, stories, and paid ads. The next way is going to be through Instagram Shop. Instagram is going to include a new shop tab on the explore page, so people will be able to navigate from there and shop straight from the explore page. That feature is going to roll out around the summer, which is going to start from the United States, and then it's going to be available in different regions. The third way is going to be through a live shopping. You will be able to tag a product before you start your Instagram or Facebook live, and people will be able to tune in and click on that product, learn more about it, and place an order within your live stream, which I think that is really cool feature. The next way is going to be through loyalty programs. Facebook started testing loyalty programs where you'll be able to purchase from brands that you purchase on a regular basis and earn points and rewards, and businesses that already have existing loyalty programs will be able to connect that to Facebook Shops or create a new one from scratch. And the last way that people can discover your Facebook shop is e-commerce partners, which is is more related to me. Basically, you will be able to import all of your products that you have in your Shopify or WooCommerce store and bring all of that to your Facebook shop. As I mentioned before, if you import your products to your Facebook shop, it will automatically link all those products to your all social platforms like Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp. Another thing that Zuckerberg mentioned that is going to be extremely easy to link your online store to Facebook shops. He also mentioned that it's going to be 100% free, no additional cost, no hidden fees, because he says that more businesses come into Facebook shops and opening their own online shops, eventually they will start spending money on Facebook ads, and this is how they're going to make their money. Facebook shops is currently available only in the United States, but it will be rolling out for more regions really soon, at least what Zuckerberg says. I'm really excited to see how e-commerce is going to change by this huge move by Facebook. I'm not exactly sure if that is going to benefit us or it's going to hurt us. I personally think that that is going to extremely benefit us, because I know that when something huge changes in the e-commerce world, there are always new opportunities to make money. So that is my take about Facebook shops. I will release more videos about it when I will have more information and more updates about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you punch that like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post pretty much daily. And last but not least, if you want to download a full case study about my first winning store, check out the first link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, my friends, peace.